Unraveling Nautical Language. Man the Crow's Nest. Hello and welcome. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey through the English language, exploring the depths of nautical expressions and their meanings in our everyday language. One phrase that often captures the imagination is, man the crow's nest. Whether you're an English language learner or simply curious about English expressions, this video will help you understand not just the meaning but the history and relevance of this intriguing phrase. So, let's dive in. Man the crow's nest is a command or instruction that originates from the days of tall sailing ships. The crow's nest is a small platform or lookout point located at the top of the main mast of a ship. Its primary purpose was for a sailor to observe the horizon for any signs of land, other ships, or potential hazards. To man the crow's nest, therefore, means to assign a sailor the duty of keeping watch from this elevated position. The term crow's nest comes from the Viking Age, where it is believed that the Vikings would carry crows or ravens on long voyages. These birds were released when the ship was far from land, and the direction in which they flew was followed, in the belief that it would lead to land. The lookout point where these birds were kept became known as the crow's nest. As naval technology and ship design evolved, the crow's nest became a permanent and critical feature of sailing ships, particularly during the Age of Discovery, when European explorers sailed across the world's oceans. In modern times, the phrase, man the crow's nest, is rarely used in its literal sense, given the advancement in maritime technology and the decline of tall ships. However, it survives metaphorically, representing the need for vigilance, observation, and foresight in various contexts. For example, in business or project management, someone might use the phrase to emphasize the importance of being alert to potential opportunities or threats. It symbolizes the act of looking ahead and preparing for what's to come. When learning such idiomatic expressions, it's helpful to understand both the literal meaning and the metaphorical application. Phrases like, man the crow's nest, enrich the English language, offering insights into history, culture, and human ingenuity. To remember this phrase, visualize a sailor climbing up to the crow's nest, scanning the horizon. This image can help solidify the meaning of the phrase in your mind, bridging the gap between literal interpretation and metaphorical use. I hope this voyage through the language of the sea has been both enlightening and enjoyable. Expressions like, man the crow's nest, offer a window into the past and a reminder of the enduring influence of nautical life on the English language. Whether you're navigating the high seas of English language learning or simply exploring the rich tapestry of expressions it offers, remember that understanding the origin and context of phrases can add depth and color to your command of the language. Thank you for watching, and may you always find the right phrase for your journey ahead.